Guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to tie and stake up your plant. You can see like my pepper plant is leaning, and basically we had to keep it up this straight right here. So I'm going to do a quick step to show you guys how I'm going to stake it, what I'm using, and how I'm going to prune it to get the best out of it. So the first thing you need is a stake. I have these guys right here, and you can see the bottom is pointed, so if I hit it down in there it will be easy. And then I have the zip tie, and then I have garden twine. If you guys want to get your hand on any of these, check in the link in the description, guys. And I have a pruner for just cutting. So now this video is for beginners or anyone who never really staked their plant. What do you want to do? You want to keep it at least 2 to 3 inches apart. Left side here, we're gonna go 2 to 3 inches apart from it before, you don't want to go too close to destroy the root. You could get a hammer. I just found a little brick. If it's a bigger plant like tomato and stuff, guys, use a longer stake. This one is a small one. And what you want to do, guys, you want to go ahead and get your twine. Make sure it's easy. Now we're gonna hold the plant always from the main base. I hope you guys can see, and try to find the middle part right here. Like I go between the middle of the main stem, and I will kind of bring it around. And then look, this tie, you just put an X and you twist it like that. You could leave it a little loose. You don't want to pull the plant so it's squished up there. You want to leave it a little loose. Now that is just one simple tie. As your plant is growing, you could take another tie, and you could come all the way to the top like this. You want to get it from the heavy point to the pepper, and then you could tie it. But for now, I don't need all that. This is a small plant, so basically I'm just gonna use one tie. And see that? So let me show you guys. So it's literally straight. And what to prune it, you can see we have a lot of leaves. So from the bottom, I like to remove the bottom leaves. We have 1, 2, 3. You can see, and then any weed and stuff from the bottom, just remove them, garbage them. You could see now from my main stem right here, I do have 2 more leaves on the bottom. So I pulling out the 2 leaves there. So this is when we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have a lot of leaves going on. So I'm gonna take this one off too. So basically, why am I'm doing this pruning? Because it's fall time in New York right now. We don't have that longer time. So you could see from the main stem coming up, I don't have anything except where it kind of like branches off. So now I have a whole, like 8+ leaves here, and I have about 5 leaves here. And another thing what to do, guys, I don't know if this plant is going to produce anything more. There's no sign. But what we're going to do, we're going to come and harvest the peppers. But you can see these purple peppers are done. They're fully grown, fully colored. And these are sweet peppers. Really, really delicious. So what I do is prune that. And you see this extra leaf right next to it? We don't need that. We could get rid of that leaf. And as the plant growing, guys, just keep tying. Thank you guys for watching GreenTGarden. Quick little video tips for beginners. Please subscribe. Check my playlist. I have a lot more video, guys, helpful tips and tricks, and subscribe for more upcoming videos. I'll see you guys next time.